More news coming in. Karnataka government has denied permission for BJP Padyatra from Bengaluru to Mysore. BJP JDS Padyatra to expose, they say, the Congress government, but that permission has been denied by the Karnataka government. A permission was sought by the BJP JDS combined essentially to expose the Congress government in the state of Karnataka. What we understand is that the permission to hold that Padyatra from Bengaluru to Mysuru has been denied.
ಪಾದಯಾತ್ರೆಗೆ ಅನುಮತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಲಿ, ನಾವೇನು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ನಾವು ಅಧಿಕೃತವಾಗಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇಲಾಖೆಯವರು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
The BJP and the JDS combined, the opposition in the state of Karnataka has been going all guns blazing against the Congress and Karnataka government, accusing them of misappropriation of funds in the Mooda scam. This and on a range of issues, they were in fact wanting to hold a Padyatra from Bengaluru to Mysuru, and that permission, we understand, has been denied. Anaga is getting us more details. Anaga, the Congress-led Karnataka government here and the BJP JDS combined in the opposition once again at loggerheads over this issue. A permission was sought and this has been denied by the authorities. What more can you tell us?
Well, Sneha, Home Minister Parameshwar has made it clear that permission will not be given for a Padyatra from Bengaluru to Mysore. He says that even the police department is not really going to give them a green signal for the Padyatra. But remember, when BJP was in power, Siddaramaiah was given permission to hold a Padyatra, similar Padyatra from Bengaluru to Ballari. So the BJP is asking, when we gave you permission when we were in power, why can't you also show us the same courtesy is what we are asking. And as we speak, the BJP is also holding a meet simultaneously, trying to chalk out a blueprint for the Padyatra. The BJP also said that we will also be visiting flood-affected areas when we carry on a Padyatra from Bengaluru to Mysore. So when the BJP on one hand is fully ready with a blueprint route map planned for its Padyatra, the Congress government now is putting a googly stating that first of all, permission is not going to be given to you to hold a walk from Bangalore to Mysore. We need to wait and watch if Vijayendra will indeed be able to go ahead and convince the Congress government, or are they going to go ahead and conduct a Padyatra and get detained when it happens.
All right, I'm going to thank you for the moment, Anaga, getting in those details as far as the politics over these allegations is concerned. The BJP JDS wanting to take the Congress government on, now wanting to hold a Padyatra. The permission for the same has been denied to them.